We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally pronounced as authenticity. You do want to stress on the third syllable, on the T syllable, o-thun-T-s-T, authenticity. In American English, however, this is usually said as authenticity, R-thun-D-C-T, authenticity. Did you get it? Does that make sense? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.